Greetings, sixth grade social studies. There are a few of you with some missing assignments for social studies, and one of the assignments was the live session response from March 19th. The live session was recorded and added to your sixth grade social studies classroom stream, so you'll need to go ahead and take a look at that before you fill in this Google form. But this assignment would be filled in, and I'm just going to walk you through the kind of things that you need to type in. So for example, the first thing is your email address. So you would type in your email address in this spot. There is a code word. If you watch the live session that Mr. Riley posted, there will be a code word. I'm going to pretend like the code word is twins, but I don't know. You'll have to watch that and find out for yourself. Then you'll have your biggest takeaway. My biggest takeaway was I like to steal words from the question to answer the question. So I'm going to steal these three words, biggest takeaway. My biggest takeaway was, and then I'll fill in the rest of my answer based on the live session that I watch with Mr. Riley. And then down at the bottom it says, what questions do you have or how can I support you during this time? I'm going to steal the words can and help support. Okay, and I'm going to say you can help support me by, and let's say I say adding highlighted words to the assignments. Let's just pretend like that's the thing that I was looking for, asking for. Maybe there's nothing that you need, but there's just a slot for that. And then the last question says, do you have anything I can pray for? Please pray that I can get some outside time and the weather will cooperate. Say something like that, and then you're going to click submit, and then you will have completed some of the assignments that we're showing as missing. Make sure that you check your stream, and please ask Mr. Riley or Mrs. McKinney for any assistance. If you need help submitting the assignments or you feel like you're behind, you can request some help. So please go on and get some of that taken care of. Watch that live session that is posted and fill out your Google form. Thanks so much.